Materials. Add sodium hydroxide to hot water. Add raw sesame seeds and stir evenly. Soak for 10 to 13 minutes. Remove and drain. When the peeling machine is on, add the drained sesame seeds and peel for 3 to 5 minutes. Add about 1/3 of water into the skin washing bucket to prevent the sesame skins from clogging the mesh. Then start running, then open the gate of the peeling bucket. When the sesame seeds cannot be automatically stirred out in the later stage, open the water valve to flush out the remaining sesame seeds. Stir the leather washing bucket for 5 to 10 minutes. After checking that the skin and kernel are obviously separated, slightly open the bottom drain valve. And open the water inlet valve equally. You can also alternate between water inlet and water outlet. Let the sesame skins be discharged with the water. After about 5 to 10 minutes, when there is no skin in the drain outlet, close the drain valve, open the discharge gate,